Okay, Amma, now coming to how to prepare the NEET examination. So in NEET examination, our chemistry subject is divided into three parts. So first of all, either bottom layer student or top layer student, any student, first of all, so prepare the inorganic chemistry. So it is a most important and scoring zone. So first of all, you can prepare the inorganic chemistry first priority for any student. So inorganic chemistry means mostly elemental chemistry. So how many topics are in there? Inorganic chemistry. So coming to the first topic is a periodic table. Okay, so periodic table. First you can prepare the periodic table because this lesson is a very basic concept to remaining all inorganic chemistry lessons. So that's why everyone first to prepare the periodic table. So actually since last 5 years question papers, so just we can see the question papers, periodic table weightage is the mostly either 1 or 2 questions are coming. So that's why, so now mostly we can prepare the first priority is a periodic table. So after the periodic table, what about the remaining lessons? Actually last 5 years every group almost S block elements, P block elements, nearly 6 to 8 questions are came. So but in this year there is no S block elements, that's why first we can focus on the P block elements. Okay, na? So next concept in the inorganic chemistry, P block elements. So P block elements means nearly 6 groups are there. Okay, na? So group 13 elements to group 18 elements. Okay, so these are the second unit, group 13 to group 18. But actually, so in group 13 to group 18, we can expect the mostly 5 to 8 questions are we can expected from this year onwards. Because there is no S block elements, so mostly 5 to 8 questions are there. So less applications, less logical approach, and very important basics. So P block elements is the very scoring zone. So that's why we can focus on the P block elements. So nearly here 5 to 8 questions are coming from this year maybe. So after the P block elements, inorganic chemistry, one more important topic, that is a D and F. It is a most important topic, D and F and complex compounds. Okay, na? So D and F and complex compounds. Actually we can expect the nearly 5 to 7 questions. Okay, na? So 5 to 7 questions are coming from the D and F complexes. So mostly this is a inorganic chemistry topic. So periodic table, P block elements group 13 to group 18 elements are there. Next D and F block elements coordination compounds. Actually from this year onwards there is no metallurgy topic, no hydrogenics compounds, no environment chemistry and no S block elements. So that's why just only focused on the P block elements, D and F coordination periodic table. So coming to the next one, so second topic is organic chemistry. So this is a important topic. So organic chemistry. So we can expect the first year organic chemistry. So organic chemistry. So first one is a GOC. So general organic chemistry. So from general organic chemistry, we can expect the nearly 4 to 6 questions. Okay, now general organic chemistry means, so now what about the nomenclature, what about the isomerism, qualitative analysis, quantitative analysis, purification methods, electron migration effects. So this is a very important basic concept and scoring concept. So general organic chemistry we can expect the 4 to 6 questions. And coming to the next part is a hydrocarbons part. So next part is a hydrocarbons part. So actually in last previous year question papers, just we can see the previous year question papers. So from hydrocarbons, so 3 to 4 questions are coming, but this year we can expect the 2 or more questions. So that's why now in hydrocarbons nearly again 4 to 5 questions are expected. So that's why next topic is the hydrocarbons. So when compared to the general organic chemistry, hydrocarbons is easy topic. So just you can prepare based on the NCERT textbook. So hydrocarbons, general organic chemistry, total first year we can expect the minimum 8 to 10 questions. We can expect the 8 to 10 questions. Next coming to the second year organic chemistry. So actually in second year organic chemistry, so every subtopic one question is coming. So every subtopic means haloalkanes, haloarenes, one question. So see this, what is the first topic? Haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, haloalkenes, haloarenes. So we can expect the one question. And next, alcohols, phenols, ethers. So this is a second topic. Alcohols, phenols, ethers. So we can expect the 2 to 3 questions from this topic. And coming to the next topic in second year organic chemistry, aldehydes, ketones. So this is also very important topic. Number of named reactions are there in aldehydes and ketones. So now in aldehydes, ketones also we can expect the 1 or 2 questions. Okay, so this is our next topic. And fourth topic is carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acids also we can expect the 1 question. So carboxylic acids, 1 question. And the next one is so diazonium salts, amines, diazonium salts, cyanides, isocyanates, amines, diazonium salts, cyanides and isocyanates. Okay, so cyanides and isocyanates we can expect the 2 to 3 questions. Okay, na? So 2 or 3 questions. Next, so this is a general organic chemistry. It is a first year organic, it is a second year organic. Now coming to the next lesson. So it is in part of the general chemistry, so or organic chemistry, biomolecules. So this is also very important to biology students. It is a biomolecules topic. So mostly we can expect the, so 1 or 2 questions are expected. So 1 or 2 questions coming from the biomolecules. Okay, so this is a second part. Actually this is the first part. Inorganic part is a very scoring topic. So after the completion of the inorganic chemistry, now you can select the either organic chemistry or physical chemistry. So now mostly it is a so complete flow chart of the organic chemistry lessons. Now coming to the third category, it is a physical chemistry. So this is also one of the important topics. So physical chemistry. So in physical chemistry mostly we can concentrate it on the in first year topic. So atomic structure or structure of atom. Okay, na? So this is a atomic structure. So from atomic structure we can expect the 1 or 2 questions. It is a weightage of atomic structure. So after the completion of the atomic structure, immediately you can go to the stoichiometry. So because the important topic is the stoichiometry in first year chemistry. So stoichiometry. Stoichiometry also we can expect the 2 or 3 questions. So this is a second lesson. Now coming to the remaining physical chemistry lessons, one more, chemical and ionic equilibrium is there. So this is also very big topic. So equilibrium topic. So equilibrium we can expect the again 2 or 3 questions. So this is the equilibrium, both chemical equilibrium and ionic equilibrium. Coming to the next one, thermodynamics lesson. Okay, so this is a first year physical chemistry lesson, thermodynamics. Again we can expect the 2 questions or mostly 3 questions. Okay, so this is a physical chemistry, first year physical chemistry. Now you can prepare the atomic structure, stoichiometry, equilibrium, thermodynamics. Now coming to the second year chemistry. So in second year physical chemistry, actually solution is a very important topic. So we can expect the 2 or 3 questions. So from solutions topic 2 or 3. So mostly from this week, so this year onwards, there is no solid state topic. So that's why now we can go to the kinetics and electrochemistry next lesson. So it is a kinetics and electrochemistry. So from kinetics and electrochemistry also we can expect the 3 questions. Okay, na? So actually this is a physical chemistry zone and this is a organic chemistry zone. This is a inorganic chemistry zone. So every student first focused on the inorganic chemistry. So prepare thoroughly. So NCERT textbook is your reference book. So no need of the another reference materials. Just see the inorganic chemistry based on the so NCERT textbook. Okay, so organic chemistry also you can solve the in-textual questions and backside textbook questions. So for physical chemistry mostly lecturer classwork or some more another reference materials you can prepare. Okay, na? Okay, ma. So finally all of you wish you all the best for the NEET appeal to 2024. So once again wish you very all the best from Rank Ridge Institute.